everyone and welcome to Conn. So in this video we will see how to create 100% stack column chart. So we will create this 100% stack column chart by using the table calculations. Okay, so let's start. First I will just take product subcategory into columns. Okay, and sale into rows. So this is the simple column chart, right? And I will just make it as enter view. Okay, so now I'll just go to this drop down option, go to quick table calculation, and I'll just click on percent of total. Why I am doing this? Because we are creating now the 100% stack column chart. Okay, so let's click on percent of total. Okay, so here I want each column should be 100%. Each column means just click this drop down option, click on this compute using and click on sale. Sale means compute using itself. Okay, so when I click on this, see the y axis, it is showing 100%, right? So next, if I want the distribution within this 100% across the region, how it is distributed across the region. Okay, so for this I will just pick up region into color. Okay, see, so that you can see within that particular subcategory 100% how the distribution done, right? So then I'll just control click this sum of sale. Okay, just control click is and drag and drop into the label. Okay, see, so that what do you observe in this chart? You can see for appliances one, total is 100%, right? And the maximum distribution is for east region. Maximum distribution is coming from east region, which is 46.44%. You can see for binder and binder accessory also, its total is 100% and the maximum distribution is coming from east region, which is 51.97%. In this way you can easily identify. So if I pick up here the central region also, you can see the scissor, ruler and trimmers of maximum distribution for central region, which is 74.56%. You can similarly you can see for east region, which is I think this one, yeah, 51.97% for binder and binder accessories for east region. Okay, in this way you can see all these things. Okay, inside that particular subcategory. So let's rename the name 100% stacked column chart. If you want to change the background color also, you can change. I'll just bold it and change it to red. Apply. Okay. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz, so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.